Hello. What you're looking at is a seat cover on a 2002 LS430. This is the passenger side seat. So a lot of people have issues with this swap because this connector right there, see that square? It's got less pins because it doesn't have an air box like this one. This is off a Facelift LS430. It's got an air box. And look how many pins there are. Lots and lots of pins. These two are exactly the same. Those swap over. Basically, what you need to do is pop this one out. Boop. Like such. Feed it around so that way you can get good access to it like that. And look at this. Take some snips and just cut it. Boom. Now you get a bunch of wires. And then you just open this up. And what you're gonna do is just match these wires with what wires exist on this one after, of course, you cut that pigtail off. Because what you're doing is you're removing this pigtail onto the newer seat. So yeah, you won't have AC cooled buttholes, but you will have a seat that works. I got these seats for fairly cheap, that's why I'm doing it. See, it's got some tears, but it sure does beat looking at that horrendous mess. And then take a look at that horrendous mess. These are seat covers. Let's put that back on so we don't hurt our eyes anymore. But yeah, look, already did it on the front, and look how much rust there is on that one. So this is after. See, it's a facelift seat on a non-facelift LS430. How about that? Let me show you that it works so that way you'll believe me. Oh, headrest. How about that? Everything bolts up as well. Yes, sir.